Today, I'm combining two tiny powerhouses, the DJI Mic Mini and the DJI Osmo 360, to see if we can get mind-blowing 360 footage with the pro-level audio. Let's test it out. The DJI Mic Mini is a compact wireless microphone designed for creators who want a crystal clear sound without bulky gear. It's small, lightweight, and plugs directly into your camera or phone. On the other side, we have the DJI Osmo 360, giving us immersive 360 video for storytelling, vlogs, or creative shots. The Osmo 360 is amazing for visuals, but let's just be real. Good audio makes or breaks a video. By pairing it with the DJI Mic Mini, we can keep our setup small while upgrading the audio quality instantly. Setup is super quick. Plug, clip, power on, and you're ready to roll. No complicated menus, no extra wires, just instant connection. Hello guys, so I'm using now the DJI Mic Mini to the Osmo 360. So again, this is the sound quality of the DJI Mic Mini paired with our DJI Osmo 360. So let's try to use it and in outdoor and see the quality with the DJI Mic Mini using in outdoor. So again, so this is the quality, and I'm shooting with the 8K panoramic or 360. So as you can see, I can adjust my frame, and because I'm using 360. So again guys, this is the sound quality direct from our DJI Mic Mini, and again I will not do any adjustment. Whatever you hear from this video came direct from the DJI Mic Mini, and again I will not adjust anything for the audio. So what you hear is what you get. So again, this is the sound quality of the DJI Mic Mini to the to the DJI Osmo 360. So and if you want to use this on your vlog, again for motorcycle, if you want to use microphone for your Osmo 360, then check this DJI Mic Mini. So again, let's go in outdoor and see the quality of the DJI Mic Mini and the Osmo 360. And guys, so I'm here in the car parking area. Again, there's strong humidity outside, so yeah, I think we will do a test here near in. There's a noise from machine, and let's try to do a test. And again, I'm here outside, and you can see you can hear a loud noise from the machine on our background. And again, this is the sound quality of the DJI Mic Mini to the DJI Osmo 360. So at my back, there is a machine from the mall. So I don't know. Again, let's try to switch off the mic, and let's see the test of without the mic, just built-in mic from the DJI Osmo 360. I need to power off. Yeah, it's power off. Now I'm disconnected, and this is the sound quality of the DJI Osmo 360 without the mic. So I'm disable the mic, on off again. This is the sound quality of the DJI Osmo 360. These are the pros and cons. For the pros, super compact setup, creates audio with a good background noise rejection, simple plug-and-play connection, works perfectly for vlogs, travel, and interviews. For the cons, Battery life could be longer for all-day shoots. Limited range compared to the bigger system, but still great for close to medium distance. Vloggers, travelers, and anyone who loves 360 content, the DJI Mic Mini and the DJI Osmo 360 are a dream combo. Small in size, big in quality. If you want your videos to look and sound amazing, this setup delivers. Huge thanks to Puncube Mech Wallet, my everyday carry that's slim, stylish, and built like a tank. Perfect for creators on to go. And the Lensgo Smoke Go, my secret weapon for adding cinematic smoke effects to my product and portrait shots. Compact, easy, and super creative. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and drop your question below. See you in the next one. If you like our background music, check the audio. These platforms offer tons of background music and sound effects, perfect for your video if you are content creator or filmmakers. Check the audio. They have these two cool AI, the Link Match and the Hands AI. Easy to use, and you will get the best music that's perfect for your content. If you want to avail the 70% off, please check the link on the description on this video and use my promo code to avail the 70% off on Audio Pro for 1 year. And if you are searching for a film emulation, check this Dehancer. They have a film emulation set that brings your photo and video film look and nostalgic effects.